In this video, I will show you how to find unique value in Microsoft Excel. So to quickly find unique value, select it. Then in conditional formatting, click on highlight cells rule and select duplicate values. Here you have to select unique and select any color code like green field with dark green text. Then click on OK and click anyway. Similar way you can find out duplicate values, conditional formatting, highlight and duplicate values and select any another color code, and there are some more rules. Once you click here, so you will see these all options. In the between, not between, equal to, not equal to and greater than, so try any option, and if you need any help, so drop your comment in comment box. Thanks for watching.